So here goes it, the viral Japanese cheesecake. However, I literally just brought a little yogurt because I didn't want to buy a big one and then not like it. Do you know what I mean? So I bought this one and I put them in. I put them in about 11, so it's like 8 now. So 8 hours. Yes? Is that enough? Hang on. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 hours. Anyway, so I don't even like cheesecake, but I am actually warm into it a little bit. So I don't know. Anyway, let's go for it, yeah? I mean, I have put... I mean, it kind of does. But also doesn't at the same time. This can't be healthy for you. I know people say, I've heard someone say it's healthy, but it can't be because of shitloads of biscuits. But I suppose it's healthier. And it's okay. I mean, I can't put my finger on it. If it tastes like cheesecake, I don't think it does. It's nice. Or does it? I think it does a little bit actually, but just like a healthy version. Do you know what I mean? And this is exactly why I brought a small one, because I knew that I wouldn't waste it. I mean, there was 12 biscuits in there, but technically I had to break them in half, so that's like 6. Yeah, it was good. Not sure I'd do it again, but it's worth a go. If you're gonna like me and you're gonna eat it all, get a small pot.